Hi everyone, we're going to classify each triangle by its sides, then find the value of x and classify the triangle by its angles. So the first triangle we have is number 1, and none of the sides are marked, so that means all the sides are not equal. That means it's a scalene triangle. And now we're going to find the value of x, and we're using the triangle Sum Theorem, where all the angles, add the sum of all the three angles equals 180 degrees. So we're going to just set this to 180. I'm not going to put the degrees yet. So we have 3x plus 4x plus 2x equals 180. So this is 7 plus 2 more is 9x equals 180. Divide both sides by 9, and you get x equals 20. And that's all we had to do. We had to find our x, but if we plug it in, 2 times 20, and then we're substituting. We're replacing our x with 20. Then we have 3 times 20. We have 4 times 20. So this is going to be 40, 60, and 80. So all the sides all the angles are not congruent. So with no equal sides, that means, and all three angles are less than 90, that means it's acute. Right, and then we're going to go to number 2. It says it has 2 equal sides here. So 2 equal sides means it's an isosceles. Triangle. And then we're going to solve for x. So just add up all our angles here. And set it to equal 180 using our triangle Sum Theorem. So in our x's we have 2 plus 2 plus 3, that's 7x. And then adding our constants, we have 2 plus 2 plus 1, that's plus 5, equals 180. So we 7x, subtract 5 from both sides, that is 175. And you take 175, divide it by 7, and that gives you x is 25. So we solved for x, and now we plug it back in, the x, to see our angles. We already see that we have 2 angles that are the same. 2 times 25 plus 2, that equals 52. So these 2 angles are 52 degrees. This angle is 52 degrees. And this one's going to be 73 times 25 plus 1. And that's 75 plus 1 is 76. So this is 76 degrees. So it has 3 angles that are less than 90 degrees. So that means it's acute. And finally, we have all equal sides. So that's an equilateral triangle. And then let's solve for x. So we have x, oops, let's go back to black. X plus x plus x equals 180. We have 3 x's there. Divide both sides by 3, and you get x is 60. So all these angles are 60 degrees. They add up to 180. And so this is also an acute triangle. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.